work for the Airman Family Readiness Center on Shaw Air Force Base. Our job is to be a one-stop shop for all of the military personnel and some DoD employees. Our major function is to link military personnel, DoD employees, with the appropriate agencies. Airman Family Readiness runs a lot of programs. We have a volunteer program. We have a transition assistance program. We have the comprehensive Airman and Fitness resiliency program here in the Airman and Family Readiness Center. We also coordinate Safe Talk and the Warrior Crosstalk for some of the units.
The Air Force has zero tolerance for unlawful discrimination and sexual harassment. And they also have a zero tolerance for any kind of discrimination based on race, religion, creed, color, reprisal, age, disability, etc. And we do that, and we assist the commanders in making sure that didn't happen by eradicating any form of discrimination or harassment. Anytime that there's a person that comes in this office, we ensure that they get the best quality service that we can provide. We try to resolve everything at the lowest level, which means that if they may come here, we may tell them that they need to go see the commander, maybe they need to go see the first sergeant, or in the case of a civilian, we'll take the complaint and we'll do what we need to do with it. But the bottom line is we want people to understand that they can come here and see us, and there's nothing negative about it, and we'll take care of them.
I manage and execute the 25 Wing complaints resolution and fraud, waste, and abuse programs. I'm also the Congressional Relations Monitor for the Wing. All congressionals come through my office. I investigate allegations of restriction, reprisal, and improper mental health evaluations. Right. I also use trend analysis to highlight problems in units, to work as my role as the eyes and ears of command. Right. Mostly what I do is help people with their issues so they can get back to focusing on the mission of the 25 Wing. And what I want you to remember is everyone has the right to file an IG complaint. They can do that without fear of reprisal. They can not be restricted to the IG system. And I'm located in the MPF building. My phone number is 2031.
We provide victim services and support to the victims of sexual assault. We also provide training to commanders, the base populace, both active duty and civilian agencies on base. If you have questions about the program, if you have a friend or a family member, the program is available to DoD dependents, the age of 18 or older. However, one of the things that I think is the most important for airmen on Shaw Air Force Base to know is the fact that we are available 24/7. And if you are a victim of sexual assault, please contact our office at 895-7272. We're located in Building 1118, MPF, Suite 1031.
Our mission is to provide legal support and services to the wing and the tenant units here at Shaw. And we do two primary things for the base in our community. The first, most people, when you think of base legal or the JAGs, you think of military justice. But that's not all that we do. We also serve the base and its community. We advise the wing commander, who's our primary client. But we also help the members of Shaw, all the service members here at Shaw, and all the tenant units here at Shaw, by providing legal assistance to them and their dependents on a wide range of legal issues so that they too can focus on their job and the mission without having nagging legal problems. So we're not talking criminal matters here. We have an Area Defense Council, and that's where we want you to go if you have questions on criminal matters. If you have something that's legal and you're just not sure what to do, we can't represent you in court, but we can talk to you, help you understand what it is that you're going through, provide some options for you, tell you what the applicable laws are, sometimes even help you draft letters. There are certain protections that service members have under the Service Member Civil Relief Act. We help you draft those letters. And we also provide notaries and powers of attorney 5 days a week.
What we do provide in the chapel are environments where you can flourish, environments where it's safe to talk about things that matter, whether it be marriage care, single retreat events, and especially individual counseling. These are environments, sacred environments to us, where things talked about are of the utmost importance to you and your spiritual growth. Number one, I guess the thing I would want you to remember is that as a chapel team, whether it be chaplain or chaplain assistant, those things you tell us in confidence remain in confidence. 100% strict confidentiality is only resting with the chaplaincy. And we're very proud to help you find answers to your questions, find that way for you to make that next step on your walk. Basically, we administer the Wing Commander Safety Program. We work with commanders and supervisors to ensure that their work practices are safe and that we accomplish the mission here on Shaw Air Force Base as safely as possible. We help the wing group and squadron level commanders and supervisors, and we just ensure that their safety programs are up to speed. We also help them with risk management and make sure they're implementing that in everything they do. Just want everybody to know that safety is everybody's responsibility. It needs to be a mindset. You need to incorporate safety into everything you do in order to get the mission done here at Shaw the safest way possible.
The Family Advocacy Program is responsible Air Force-wide for assessing and providing treatment services to any family who has any sort of family violence situation or family maltreatment situation. So that could be domestic violence, it could be a child abuse situation, it could be child maltreatment where maybe there's some child neglect going on, something of that nature. So anything involving any kind of family maltreatment, we provide assessments and treatment for. We also do a lot on the preventative side to make sure that it doesn't occur if we can stop it. The services are here for them. They're here for the military families because we know that their families, you know, their parents, their cousins, their aunts and uncles, the people who would normally provide that kind of support are not here. So it's here for them. They should take advantage of it.